Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0088 indicates that the fuel rail pressure is excessively high in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error is detected by the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, which monitors the fuel pressure delivered by the high-pressure fuel pump. If the actual fuel pressure deviates from the target pressure for a certain duration, the PCM identifies a malfunction. The vehicle is equipped with a fuel pressure relief valve that opens to release excess pressure, protecting components from damage. Understanding this DTC is crucial for diagnosing fuel system issues. In the next slides, we'll cover the components involved, potential causes of the error, the symptoms that may arise, and the step-by-step troubleshooting process to identify and rectify the issue effectively. The major components affected by DTC P0088 include the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, high-pressure fuel pump, and fuel pressure relief valve. The PCM is a critical electronic control unit that regulates the fuel pressure through the high-pressure fuel pump. The pump itself is responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine at high pressure necessary for optimum combustion. The fuel pressure relief valve is designed to mitigate excessive pressure by opening when certain thresholds are exceeded, thereby protecting the fuel line and other components from possibly catastrophic failures. It is typically located near the fuel rail in the engine compartment. When any of these components malfunction or deviate from their designated pressure ranges, the PCM records the P0088 error code, indicating a high fuel pressure condition that requires attention. There are two main potential causes for the P0088 fault code. Firstly, a high-pressure fuel pump failure can occur, often due to the spill valve being stuck open. When the spill valve fails, it can cause an inability to regulate fuel flow effectively, leading to an oversized volume of high-pressure fuel in the system. Secondly, there may be a range or performance issue with the fuel pressure sensor itself. The fuel pressure sensor's role is to monitor the fuel pressure in the rail and communicate this information back to the PCM. If the sensor reports incorrect values, it could mislead the system into thinking the pressure is too high, thereby triggering the error code. Identifying which component is responsible is crucial for effective repairs. The symptoms associated with DTC P0088 can directly affect vehicle performance and safety. One common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light, which alerts the driver that there is a problem within the engine management system. In addition, drivers may experience poor engine performance, including hesitation, rough idle, or stalling, due to incorrect fuel pressure affecting engine combustion. Fuel leaks may also develop under the hood, which can pose fire hazards and should be addressed immediately. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in prompt diagnosis and repair, ensuring the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0088 is to start the engine. Once started, it's important to drive the vehicle with repeated acceleration and deceleration. This simulates the conditions under which the error might be detected and allows the PCM to gather necessary data. During this process, the engine must reach normal operating temperature to ensure that the fuel system is functioning correctly. It's crucial to drive safely and abide by traffic regulations during this test. By doing so, you may help trigger the conditions for which the PCM could either confirm or clear the fault and provide more insight into the true nature of the problem, aiding in effective diagnosis. The second step involves utilizing a Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform more thorough diagnostics. Begin by selecting the DI fuel pressure test from the inspection menu within the system. This diagnostic tool is pivotal for checking the actual fuel pressure readings in real time and comparing them to the target pressure as defined by the manufacturer's specifications. The HDS can provide valuable diagnostic data, including actual pressure levels, which can help pinpoint if the high-pressure fuel pump or the fuel pressure sensor is malfunctioning. Performing this test accurately and interpreting the results correctly will guide you toward the next course of action, whether that's repair or component replacement. After addressing the issues identified in the previous troubleshooting steps, it's essential to perform final repairs verification. First, you should clear the DTC from the PCM. Clearing the code can be accomplished using the HDS or by disconnecting the battery, though the former is generally recommended for accuracy. After clearing the code, drive the vehicle under conditions that were previously determined to have caused the issue. Observe whether the check engine light returns and whether the PCM recognizes that fuel pressure is now within normal limits. Only by confirming that the fuel pressure has stabilized and remains within specified thresholds can you be sure that the problem has been effectively resolved. Preventive maintenance is key to avoiding issues like DTC P0088 in the future. Regular inspection of the fuel system, including hoses, fuel pumps, and pressure relief valves, can help detect wear and tear before they result in a malfunction. Additionally, keeping an eye on fuel pressure sensor performance ensures that accurate data is being relayed to the PCM. If feasible, consider replacing the fuel filter at recommended intervals, as a clogged filter can lead to unexpected pressure variations. Teaching vehicle owners the importance of this maintenance can ensure long-term vehicle reliability and safety, establishing a proactive repair routine. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0088 is vital for effective troubleshooting and ensuring the optimal performance of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. The error signifies that fuel rail pressure is running too high, which can damage engine components if left unresolved. By recognizing the symptoms, potential causes, and adhering strictly to the outlined troubleshooting steps, mechanics can efficiently pinpoint the issue. Utilizing tools like the Honda Diagnostic System HDS can significantly enhance diagnosis accuracy. Additionally, preventive measures can greatly reduce the chances of this error recurring in the future. Remember, each step contributes to the overall health of the vehicle's fuel system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.